खुलुमबाय बे समावहाय जोङो सासे गेदेमा आलासि मोनदों बिथां गेदेमा आलासिखौ जोङो फंनैसो जोंनि बाथौ बिबुंसारनिफ्राय रादाब नागिरदों बिथाङा जाबाय स्कट डेलेन्सी अर्गेनार इउनिभार्सिटि अफ इउएसए नि बिथांखौ जोङो बाथौ बिबुंसार जाय सिगाङावनो बरायनाय थाबाय बे समावहाय नोंथाङा दिनैनि बे हाबाफारियाव फैनानै गावखौनो बोरै मोनदों? How are you feeling of this ceremony?
Very interesting to see this. You know, I know very little about Bato. So I'm just here learning.
Where you come from here?
Your purpose of visiting Kokrajhar?
I am studying the Bodo language, working with Bihung Brahma and others at CIT to write a grammar of Bodo. Yes, I'm also here because in a week or so we are having a international conference on linguistics of Northeast India. We will have presenters coming from all over Northeast India and from the mainland and also from many foreign countries, from the US, Australia, Germany, Switzerland, Israel, Thailand, Japan. I'm sure I'm forgetting some.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Patani pe programa fina zbun gesundung. And I will have to continue in English. My Bodo is only beginning. It pleases me very much to see traditional and ancient Bodo culture continuing on into the present day and into the 21st century. My purpose in being here in Bodoland and my interest is in studying the Bodo language and trying to reconstruct and recover what we can of ancient Bodo history, the origins of the Bodo people, the origins of the Bodo language. And of course, the Batu faith is a fundamental part of the history and identity of the Bodo people and Bodo culture. So, as I said, it's wonderful for me to see that this ancient part of Bodo identity and Bodo culture continues on and thrives and is building new edifices. So I wish all of you, I wish the Batu society continued success and prosperity in the future. Thank you all for